In a tragic and bizarre turn of events, a Minnesota crash involving two sisters has captured national attention. On the morning of September 25, 2023, a devastating collision between a silver SUV and an Amish buggy led to the deaths of two young girls, Irma Miller, 11, and Wilma Miller, 7. The crash also left two of their siblings injured and hospitalized. The events that followed the crash have shocked the community and highlighted a dramatic attempt to cover up the crime. The accident occurred in Fillmore County, Minnesota, about 2 hours south of the Twin Cities. The buggy, carrying a group of Amish children to school, was struck by the SUV. Initial investigations pointed to Samantha Jo Peterson as the driver of the SUV responsible for the crash. However, the situation took a troubling turn when her identical twin sister, Sarah Beth Peterson, came forward and falsely confessed to the crime. Witnesses at the scene reported seeing a woman driving the silver SUV who was wearing a red shirt. Authorities identified this woman as Samantha Jo Peterson. Shortly after the accident, a black SUV arrived, driven by Sarah, who was wearing a black shirt. In a dramatic twist, Samantha and Sarah reportedly switched clothes, with Samantha then moving her vehicle off the road and changing her shirt to black. Sarah subsequently claimed responsibility for the crash. The Peterson sisters' plan to mislead authorities quickly began to unravel. Surveillance footage and witness accounts provided a clear timeline of events. Samantha was captured on camera driving the SUV shortly before the collision, while Sarah was seen dropping her children off at school in a different vehicle. This evidence made it evident that Samantha was the driver at the time of the crash. Further complicating matters, text messages and internet searches linked Samantha to the incident. In a series of messages, Samantha admitted to others that she had caused the crash and had orchestrated Sarah's false confession. The texts included statements like, "I just killed two Amish people," and "I hit that Amish buggy and killed two people. Made Sarah come there and take the fall so I wouldn't go to prison." Investigators also found that Samantha's blood tested positive for methamphetamine and THC, but this test was conducted 24 hours after the crash. This delay raises questions about the accuracy of the drug test results, which could potentially challenge the prosecution's case regarding substance influence at the time of the accident. The defense faces a nearly insurmountable task given the overwhelming evidence against the Peterson sisters. The switch of identities, conflicting witness statements, and direct admissions of guilt severely undermine their defense. Sarah's role in the cover-up, while not involving the crash itself, complicates her case with charges of aiding and abetting. She faces 16 felony charges for her involvement. Samantha, on the other hand, faces 21 charges, including criminal vehicular homicide, leaving the scene of the accident and operating a vehicle under the influence of a controlled substance. Both sisters are scheduled for court appearances in the coming months, with Samantha's hearing set for March 25th and Sarah's for April 1st. The impact of this tragedy extends beyond the courtroom. The Amish community, known for its close-knit and insular nature, has been deeply affected by the loss. A GoFundMe page set up for the victims' families has raised over $90,000, reflecting the community's support and solidarity. This case not only underscores the tragic consequences of reckless driving but also highlights the severe repercussions of attempting to evade justice through deceit. The Peterson sisters' actions have not only led to criminal charges but have also left a lasting impact on the victims' families and the broader community. As the legal proceedings continue, the focus remains on seeking justice for the victims and ensuring accountability for those responsible. The community's response and the ongoing investigation serve as a powerful reminder of the importance of responsibility and honesty in the face of tragedy. This case serves as a stark reminder of the consequences of attempting to deceive the legal system. The actions of the Peterson sisters not only added to the tragedy but also demonstrated how quickly lies can unravel under scrutiny. It's a powerful lesson in accountability and the importance of facing the truth, no matter how difficult it may be. Thank you for your time. Stay safe, take care, and remember to always value the truth.